Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash the Tower. This guide will help you master the basics and conquer its challenges. The core gameplay involves simple taps to jump and holds to fly, but timing is everything. You'll encounter various game modes, each with unique mechanics, so understanding them is key to progression. Let's dive into the exciting world of the tower. As you play, you will encounter numerous obstacles designed to test your reflexes. Look out for spikes, spinning saws, and moving blocks that require precise timing. Fortunately, there are also helpful power-ups like jump pads and gravity orbs to assist your journey. Portals are especially important, as they can instantly change your game mode or even flip gravity, adding exciting twists to the gameplay. To truly excel, focus on memorizing the level layouts and the patterns of obstacles. This foresight will significantly improve your reaction time. Don't hesitate to use practice mode. It allows you to learn challenging sections without the pressure of starting over. Maintaining a steady rhythm is crucial, and try to remain calm during intense sequences. Patience and persistence are your best allies. Once you've mastered the basics, consider personalizing your experience with different icons and colors. The game offers many options to make your character unique. For endless fun, explore the vast array of user-created levels, which offer new challenges and creative designs. Remember to celebrate every small victory and view each failed attempt as a valuable learning opportunity. Keep playing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.